if you visit Google Gemini and click on the Create Image option to enable Nano Banana Pro. Then upload your reference image and enter this prompt. Create a hyper-realistic 8K studio photograph shot on a 50mm prime lens with a wide aperture, showing a miniature caricature keychain held in the foreground by a human hand in a close-up, slightly low-angle composition, with shallow depth of field and soft bokeh, suggesting an indoor retail setting. The keychain has a silver split ring, a dark blue strap with a white geometric pattern, and embossed zapiwala AI text, connected by a short silver chain to a detailed caricature charm with an oversized head and small body riding a bright yellow vintage Vespa. The character's face, expression, and proportions are taken 100% from the uploaded reference image with no gender assumption, wearing a yellow knit beanie, yellow and black striped sweater, blue denim shorts, white socks, and green high-top sneakers. The Vespa features a brown seat, silver handlebars and mirrors, a glowing headlight, and realistic tires with glossy textures, while cinematic studio lighting highlights reflections and details, and the hand shows natural skin texture and realistic shadows for a photorealistic finish. If you want, you can simply replace the text zapiwala AI with your own brand name or any custom text. Give it a few seconds and Nano Banana Pro inside Google Gemini does its magic. And bingo, here's your generated image. This result clearly shows how Nano Banana Pro can create high-end mockups for branding, merchandise, and e-commerce using just one prompt. Now here's where it gets interesting. Using the same exact prompt, I tried a completely different reference image, and as you can see, Nano Banana Pro once again delivered a flawless result. And with that, I officially welcome you to part 3 of Nano Banana Pro, Secret Use Cases and Prompts. In this part, we're unlocking 15 powerful use cases and secret prompts that most people are not talking about. So let's jump straight into secret prompt number 2. For secret prompt number 2, you can simply enter this prompt. A cute, highly stylized 3D caricature of Albert Einstein standing in a neon-lit city street at night. Slightly oversized head, glossy eyes, and soft, rounded features. Reflected glow from pink and blue neon signs adds cinematic charm with smooth Pixar-style textures and shallow depth. Our 1:1 inch. You can simply replace Albert Einstein with any famous personality you like, and then hit send. Once again, Nano Banana Pro does its magic and generates this insanely cool neon-style 3D character in seconds. Just look at it. The vibe, the glow, the overall feel. It honestly looks like a character straight out of an animated movie scene. And yes, the same prompt works perfectly for Donald Trump, Lionel Messi, Mark Zuckerberg, or literally any famous personality. Now that you've seen character styling at this level, let's move to secret prompt number 3. For this one, you upload your reference image and use the prompt shown on screen. And as you can see, Nano Banana Pro creates this crazy, realistic Instagram-style 3D post. Just look at it. It feels like the post is literally popping out of the screen, the kind of visual that instantly makes people stop scrolling. And if you use this prompt and replace the highlighted placeholder, then Nano Banana Pro will generate this YouTube-style posts. And similarly, if you use this prompt, then you will get this Facebook-style post, which really looks amazing. Building on that, let's move to secret prompt number 4. I've uploaded this reference image. Here again, I use the prompt shown on screen, just replacing zapiwala with custom text and changing the city or backdrop. And the result is this absolutely insane 3D scene. Just look at it. The scale, the confidence, the cinematic feel. It genuinely looks like a movie moment frozen into a single image. Now, let's switch the vibe completely. This is secret prompt number 5, and it's pure Christmas magic. Just upload your reference image and use this prompt. And Nano Banana Pro will turn the image into this beautiful Christmas snow globe moment. Just look at it. It feels cozy, magical, and straight out of a holiday movie scene. Now comes secret prompt number 6, and this one is honestly next level. Just use this prompt and just look at the result. It literally feels like a real travel magazine page you'd find in a bookstore. Next is secret prompt number 7, and this one is seriously fun. Just upload your reference image, use this prompt in Nano Banana Pro, and hit send, and boom. Nano Banana Pro turns it into this crazy notebook-style artwork. Now let's move to secret prompt number 8. For this one, just use this prompt and replace the city name with any city you want. Nano Banana Pro instantly turns it into this beautiful folded travel poster. Just look at it. It feels like a real tourist brochure you'd pick up while traveling, colorful, lively, and straight out of an animated movie world. Similarly, in secret prompt number 9, you can use this prompt and just replace the city name in the prompt. And look at this. Nano Banana Pro turns an entire city into this mind-blowing 3D mini planet, something that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie poster. Let's continue the 3D effect and move to secret prompt number 10, and this one is honestly mind-blowing. If you use this prompt and simply replace the country name with any country you want, Nano Banana Pro instantly turns it into this beautiful floating 3D country island. Just look at it. It feels like the entire country is lifted into the sky, detailed alive, and straight out of a big budget animated movie scene. Next up is secret prompt number 11. If you use this prompt and just replace Wembley Stadium with any stadium you want, the Nano Banana Pro instantly creates this super clean isometric 3D cartoon stadium, which feels like a premium game asset or a sports poster straight out of an animated world. Now let's move to secret prompt number 12. And this one is honestly next level. Simply use this prompt and replace New York with any city you want. Then Nano Banana Pro creates this super satisfying, clean 3D city comparison visual that feels like a premium infographic. Now, moving on to secret prompt number 13, simply use this prompt and just replace the company name with any brand you want. Then Nano Banana Pro creates this insanely cool 3D miniature world of that company. Just look at it. It feels like a tiny animated universe built around a brand. The kind of visual that instantly grabs attention and feels premium. Now let's move to secret prompt number 14, and this one is seriously mind-blowing. If you use this prompt and replace the landmark name in the prompt, the Nano Banana Pro turns it into this insanely cute clay-style landmark world. If you want to generate this type of selfie with Akshay Khanna from the Durandar movie set, secret prompt number 15 is just for you. You simply need to upload your reference image and then enter this prompt, and Nano Banana will generate your this type of selfie with Akshay Khanna. If you've watched till here, please support this video by hitting the like button. Let's set a target of 3,000 likes on this one. Also, subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials and mind-blowing use cases like these. And don't forget to drop a comment and tell me which secret prompt you like the most. If you want part 4 of this series, just comment part 4 below. I'm watching those comments. A special thanks to our new pro members, Lost Heroes Rodos, Miles Turner, and all our new supporter members. If you also want a shout out and exclusive access to this prompt sheet, you can join the membership. Inside, you'll find all these prompts ready to copy and use instantly. Right now, this prompt sheet is exclusive for members only, but once this video hits 3,000 likes, I'll make it public for everyone. And before you go, make sure to watch part 1 and part 2 of this series. See you in the next one.